offers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.6, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Category 2. We talk about the amenities of this property, so you can see on the screen. All you will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is superb, with guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property, along with various meal plans and trading policies. Join management for the link provided in the description. For more details, please read the description box. If you are facing any kind of problem with booking a room in this property, you can help us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed in this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again.